that this has never been seen before here.
No, not in this neighborhood. Although there are protests around the mayor's house occasionally. Never anything on this scale that I've seen.
What are your thoughts about why this is all happening, the message that these folks are trying to portray? What are your thoughts about everything that's happening?
You have a nation that was built on stolen land by slaves. Those are sort of the original sins of this country. And we've never had like a Truth and Reconciliation Commission like South Africa had to really deal with those fundamental sins. And now you have a perfect storm because you have millions of people out of work, people who are hungry, people who are angry, and then you have the George Floyd incident on top of all the other incidents that have happened in the past few weeks and months and years. And people are fed up. And they're finally saying, enough is enough. And so this is not going to stop until those 3 other officers are arrested and indicted, and until this country really comes to terms with these sort of fundamental sins that we have just ignored literally for hundreds of years.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your thoughts with us. And that is, it's interesting because